Okay, good day everyone. We are still looking at how to formulate quadratic equation from their given root. Okay, but before we look at these examples we have, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. And as you do that, may God bless you. Okay, so let's quickly proceed now. So we have some example here. Find the equation whose roots are all this. So let's look at the first one, I. Okay, the Roman figure 1, where we have the root to be minus 1 over 2, and I think one whole number 1 over 2. So what we do is we quickly recall our formula method. You can say from the formula, x squared minus bracket open a plus b x plus ab equals 0. Please take note, a plus b is the sum of roots, and then ab is the product of roots, okay? And then your a and b are the roots of the equation. Okay, now what we do here is we first of all find a plus b. Okay, and a plus b is just the same thing as minus 1 over 2, okay, plus 1 whole number 1 over 2. So this is the same thing as minus 1 over 2, okay, plus 3 over 2 when you convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, okay? And then how do you do that? 2 times 1 is going to be 2, and then 2 plus 1 is 3 all over the denominator 2, okay? So this is just, minus 1 plus 3 divided by 2, okay? Since they have the same denominator, 2 and 2, you just add the two numerators and pick the denominator. And of course, it's just 1, okay? Because minus 1 plus 3 is 2, and then 2 divided by 2 is going to give us 1, okay? That's for the sum of roots. So let's quickly look at AB, which is the product of roots now. So it simply means 1, that's minus 1 over 2, which is your A, multiplied by, 1 number 1 over 2, which is the same thing as 4e over 2. So multiplying this now gives us minus 4e, okay, minus 4e over 4. Is that okay? So from here, we can now substitute the sum of root and the product of root into the formula, and then this becomes x squared minus bracket open. Your a plus b is 1, and then you put your x, and then plus bracket open minus 4e over 4, okay, to be equals to 0. So this is just the same thing as x squared. You can make this over 1, like x squared, you can make it over 1 to make it a fraction, minus x over 1 as well, uh, and then plus times minus is minus 4e over 4 to be equals to 0 over 1, okay? And then the LCM from the left hand side, which is LCM of 1, 1 and 4, is just 4, and then 4 divided by 1 is 4. 4 times x squared is 4x squared, okay? And then minus 4x, that's 4 divided by 1 is 4. 4 times x is 4x, minus 4 divided by 4 is 1. Then 1 times 4e is 4e, and then this is equals to 0 over 1, okay? Then from here you cross multiply. So 1 multiplied by 4x squared minus 4x minus 4e still gives us 4x squared, okay, minus 4x minus 4e is equals to 4 times 0 gives us 0. Okay, so this becomes a quadratic equation that we are expected to derive from the what now, the given root. So let's quickly look at the Roman figure 2, okay, where we have I think minus 2 and 7 this time around. Minus 2 and 7, okay? So what we do, we quickly go for, from our equation, which is x squared minus bracket open, a plus bx plus ab equals 0. That means we need to find our a plus b now, okay? We need our a plus b, and that's just minus 2 plus 7, which is equals to 5, okay? And then we need ab. So ab is just minus 2 times 5, I mean times 7, okay, which is equals to minus 14, okay? So from here, substituting your a plus b and your ab into the equation, that becomes x squared minus, bracket open 5x, and then plus bracket open minus 14, okay, which is the product, equals to 0. And this is just x squared minus 5x, okay, plus minus is minus 14, okay, equals to 0. And this becomes the quadratic equation that we're expected to formulate from the given root minus 2 and 7. So let's quickly look at the third one, okay? Here we have, I think, 1 over 2 and I think minus 7. Let's go back and check. Yep. So following the same pattern, you quickly recall your equation, which is x squared, or your formula, minus bracket open a plus b x, okay, plus ab equals to 0. And then from here, your a is 1 over 2, 1 over 2, and then your b is minus 7. So that means a plus b is going to be equals to 1 over 2, okay, plus bracket minus 7, okay? And that's the same thing as just 1 over 2, minus 7, because plus minus is minus. And then, 7 is just the same thing as 7 over 1. So when you look for the LCM here, you see the LCM is 2, and then 2 divided by 2 here is 1. 1 times 1 is 1, minus, 2 divided by 1 is 2, 2 times 7 is 14, okay? And then this is just minus 13 over 2, okay? So now that becomes the a plus b value. So let's quickly look at AB. So AB now is just the multiplication now, and that is 1 over 2 multiplied by minus 7. So this is just the same thing as minus 7 all over 2, okay? So that becomes a product. So substituting into the formula, that gives us x squared, okay, minus bracket open. Your AB in this case, your A plus B in this case is minus 13 over 2, okay? Then put your x, and then plus your product is minus 7 over 2 equals to 0. So from here, x squared is the same thing as x squared over 1, okay? It's same thing as x squared over 1. Minus times minus is going to give us plus, 13x, okay, all over 2 in this case. And then plus minus is minus 7 all over 2, okay, equals to 0. You can make this 0, 0 over what? 1. So the LCM of 1, 2, and 2 is just 2. And then 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times x squared is going to give us 2x squared, okay? Then plus, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 13x is 13x. Minus, of course, here you're going to be 7, equals to 0 over 1, okay? Cross multiplying, you're going to have 2x squared, plus 13x minus 7 equals 0, which becomes the quadratic equation they ask us to, formulate. Now, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and as you do that, may God bless you. Thank you.